natural beauty hacks. Today I'm doing Fair and Lovely slime. Let's start. Take Fair and Lovely. Okay, now we'll add some water. Mix it well. Yes. What is this? Wow. It's done. The Fair and Lovely shampoo is done. The Fair and Lovely slime is done. Subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon. Please comment this video. Bye bye. Hello friends. Welcome to Natural Beauty Hacks. Today I'm doing slime with Sunsilk Yellow Smooth Shampoo and some water. And add Sunsilk shampoo. Let's mix it well. Let's add red color. Mix it well. water. Okay, the salt is melted. Now we will add this water. Okay guys, the slime is ready, but we have to throw the water out. The slime is ready. See this? Some so hard, superless. No, okay, but I tried it. It worked. If you like this video,